Hello, today I'm going to show you how to draw Squirtle. I'm going to be using my black Sharpie. You can use whatever you have available to you. Let's go ahead and get right into this. We're going to start with Squirtle's eyes. So we're going to make this little curved line just about like this. And then we're going to draw an arch over the top. So it's going to come up, then loop back down and connect to the bottom. And then I kind of want to do that same thing on the other side, but it's going to be much smaller. So it will be right about over here. I'm going to draw a little curved line, and then we're going to draw an arch that comes down from the bottom, curves up, and then connects back down to the bottom like this. So for each eye, I can go ahead and draw an oval on the inside. So I'll draw an oval right here. I'll do the same thing on this side. Draw a little oval. And then I want to go ahead and draw this little arch that goes from one end to the other end. I'll do that same thing on this side, from one end to another end. And then from here, we can go ahead and color in this part black. And we'll also go ahead and color in this part black as well. Always keep in mind that when I am fast forwarding the video or at any point at all, you can always slow the video down and go at your own speed. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a little line that goes over the eye like this. And then I'll also draw another one on this side. Now from here, we can draw a little bump that comes out from the top corner of this eye. It's going to just be a little bump like this. And then to start making Squirtle's head, we're going to come out from the corner of this eye down here. I'm going to bring it out like this. And then it's going to start to curve down to the bottom. And we're going to make this kind of big circular shape. It ends up coming over and connects to the top like that. And mine got a little square here, but that's okay. It doesn't need to look perfect. So now I'm going to go ahead and draw Squirtle's mouth. So we're going to come out like this. We're going to quickly curve back down. And then we'll angle it back up and then draw this big smile coming around to the other side like that. We could also draw in Squirtle's nostrils. So I'm going to put one circle right here and one circle right over there. So now we have Squirtle's head, and we can go ahead and start to draw Squirtle's body. So we'll start with his shell. We're going to start right about here on our chin, and we're just going to make kind of a half circle here. We're going to come down, it's going to curve out, curve in, but then we're going to stop right about over here. And then I can go ahead and draw Squirtle's arm. So we're going to have a line that comes out from the chin over here. It's going to come out, and then I want to draw kind of a V shape. Right, that comes down, and then another V shape like this, and then I want to connect this back to Squirtle's shell. And then we can also draw a little thumb for Squirtle, so we'll make one more V shape inside of here. For Squirtle's other arm, we're going to draw his shoulder, and it's going to connect very closely to the head over here. So we'll draw this little arch that comes up like this, and then connects down to the bottom right about here. And then we want this little thumb coming out right here, one of those little V shapes. And then we'll connect it back over here. And then we're going to draw two other V shapes inside. So one like this and one like that. Before we start drawing the rest of Squirtle's shell, we can go ahead and draw his feet. So we're going to draw a curved line that comes out from the shell over here. We're going to curve it down. And then we're going to have a V shape that comes out like this. We're going to have another one that starts on the inside here, curves down, comes in, and then we'll draw one more right about here. And then this line is going to go all the way back, make a little heel, and then connect back to the body. And you know what? I think this is going to look better if we actually extend this line up a little bit like that. So to draw the other leg, we're going to come out over here, and we're going to make another arch. So we'll come and make this arch. It's going to come all the way down. This one's also going to come down. And then we want three little V shapes here. So we're going to come out, come back in, go out, come back in, and go out, and come back in. To finish this up, we're going to go ahead and start drawing Squirtle's shell. So we're going to have a little curve line that connects down to here, and then we want to follow that same curve. So we'll make another one. Looks like this. And this is going to come a little bit over the top over here. We'll be able to see a little part of it. So we'll draw a line that goes from the head to the shoulder. So to draw the back side of Squirtle's shell, we're just going to come out from over here and make a little curved line that comes down and connects to the leg. And then we can go ahead and do Squirtle's tail. We don't have a lot of room for it, but we're going to come out from the back of his leg over here, loop it up, and then we get to do this little spiral shape inside of here. And then I'm going to come out from his leg and then just connect it to this little spiral. So come out, connect it right over there. Then we're almost done here. We just got to put some of the pattern from Squirtle's shell in. So we'll go ahead and draw a line, a little curved line that comes from one side and then connects to his arm. On this side, we can draw a little V shape. So it's going to come down from here and then connect right over here. We can kind of draw that same thing, but on the other side, we're going to come out and then connect to his leg. We can connect these two by drawing a low line that comes in like this. And then we have one more little V shape down here. It's going to come up and then connect to his leg. And then we can draw a line that goes down right here and connects right over here. And then for the shell, we just need 3 lines. We need one coming up over here. And these ones can kind of be squiggly lines, and then one coming up, connecting like that. So now we have our Squirtle, and the last thing we got to do is color this in. I'm going to go ahead and start a time lapse, and you can check what it looks like at the end. All right, so here it is. We have Squirtle all drawn and colored in. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. If you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.